Hi everyone, I'm Gurleen Kaur and welcome to yet another video wherein we'll discuss about the real estate space. You might also be coming across a lot of headlines from the real estate space. What is this buzz all about? Let's have a look from a technical perspective. Starting with the Nifty Realty Index, which is designed to reflect the behavior and performance of the real estate companies. Now on the daily chart, it's quite evident that the sector has been picking up fresh momentum. Now the question is it going to hold? Or is it just the short-term play? To break it down, let's have a look at the harmonic pattern which is likely to unfold. Now, after the breakout of this pivot back in July 2022, the sector saw a good run-up, after which it went into sideways gyrations and it turned out to be a polarity setup right at this point. Now, I have talked about polarity in another video and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Now, coming back, for the past 3 to 4 trading sessions, each candle is closing above the previous candle, which is an indication that the strength is building up. Now the index might catch up with the EMAs and then further move towards an ultimate target of point D. That's for near term. Let's also have a look at the weekly scale, where once the index moves past the level of 481.80 on a sustainable basis, we might as well see the bigger pattern unfolding. But this remains a conditional setup as it depends upon the breaching of point B that happens to be at 481.80. Now quite a few technical stock setups are also coming up across screeners from the real estate space. Let's also discuss those. So the first one is DLF, which holds 26.40% weightage in the realty index. Now on the weekly time frame, it's quite clear that the stock faced resistance multiple times from this level of 407.50, and now it has given a breakout above the same with above average volumes. Now in the coming trading sessions, if the stock continues to hold above this pivot, we might see the stock slowly inching up towards the final target of point D. Now second on the list is India Bulls Real Estate. Now here on the hourly time frame, the risk to reward is quite favorable as the stock has been slowly inching up towards the point D, which happens to be around 91.85 levels. Now once the stock reclaims these levels, we might see a slowdown as it approaches the potential reversal zone. Now let's also have a look at the bigger picture in the weekly time frame. So the breakout level happens to be at 94.50. So one can keep an eye at this level to watch for fresh entries once the breakout happens. The third one that we have is OBEROI Realty. Over here, the resistance level is pegged at 1051.90, from where the stock has faced supply pressure quite a number of times. Also, if we see the harmonic setup, the stock is already trading above the validation point of 945.75 or 946, and it's likely to continue its trajectory towards point D, which also coincides with the resistance level that was mentioned earlier, that was 1051.90. Also, if you see over here, this is a inverse head and shoulders pattern which has already given a breakout, and the target for the inverse head and shoulders as well coincides with the resistance level or the potential reversal zone. The last setup would be Prestige Estates. Quite a self-explanatory setup in this one. The stock had been consolidating for over some time and has now given a breakout above this slanting trend line. Though the stock looks ready to register new highs, but there's a small hurdle in between which happens to be the resistance level of 522. So this can be kept on the watch list for a pullback opportunity. So I hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, let me know your picks from the realty sector in the comments down below. Until we meet again, have a good time.